50,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए. नाउ ऑन टू 75. मैं रुकने वाली तो हूं नहीं, तो जो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है उस पर क्लिक करें एंड दैट बेल आइकन नेक्स्ट टू इट. जैसे ही नया रिव्यू आएगा सबसे पहली नोटिफिकेशन विल कम टू यू ओनली यार. अ कॉप, अ सीरियल किलर, अ लव इंटरेस्ट, स्मॉल हिल टाउन, फॉग. दिस फिल्म could have been an email. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching a movie review. Thank you for subscribing and being here today. We're talking about Katputli, now streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar.
सर सीरियल किलर के साथ पावर नहीं, माइंड गेम खेलना चाहिए.
Akshay Kumar is a filmmaker, obsessed with serial killers to the extent of wallpapering his whole room with cutouts of newspaper articles. Failing for about 7 years to get a movie started, he's like, okay, I'll become a cop because my dad was one, which one quick montage later he does, and straight up stumbles into a serial killer case. And he's 36 years old, which might be the hardest to swallow pill here. A 13 years younger Rishita Bhatt plays his sister, who he calls Didi at one point. Sigh. That's right. Simply sighing is not enough to express my full emotion towards this film. I have to say the word out loud. Also, I'm going to keep this review short because any minute spent on trying to analyze this film is a minute too long. In addition to the grotesque, gratuitous close-up shots of mutilated bodies of dead children, this Ranjit Tiwari film goes out of its way to supply you with ample triggering images. Pedophilia is treated in an offhanded manner most abhorrent, seemingly written by someone who skipped the day in writing school when nuance was being taught. I haven't seen the original Tamil film, but for the life of me, I couldn't figure why Akshay Kumar is a failed filmmaker in this film. Kyun? His filmmaking abilities never come into the picture. It's not like he shoots some secret or clandestine footage to help nab the killer. No, once he becomes the world's most conveniently appointed cop, he's just that. Akshay Kumar as a cop in many Akshay Kumar movies where he plays a cop. And of course, true to form, there's a ton of police brutality celebration. Procedure jaye tel lene.
कैसे रोकेंगे इस आदमी को?
Speaking of saying a giant fuck you to course of action, Sargun Mehta plays an SHO. And aside from a brief moment where I thought she was Rakul Preet doing an Elizabeth Holmes-like fake deep voice, Madam SHO is my favorite thing about this movie. Clearly terrible at this job she shows up to with a full face of makeup. She says things like, "Butt par bhi goli lagi hai, dekhega," before going right back to whatever incompetent dumbassery the writers think SHOs in Kasauli do. She barks instructions at anyone in her eyesight, and when not being proven wrong by this newest recruit, Mr. Convenient, sure he's 36 years old if you say so, Police Kumar, she's clearly not investigating anything क्योंकि कोई progress तो है नहीं, आप मटर छील लो.
पुलिस बॉडी तक नहीं पहुंचती, वो बॉडी पुलिस तक पहुंच जाता है.
Look, I don't want to be known as the film critic जिसको कुछ पसंद नहीं आता है. But this frustration of mine only comes from the fact that when a film asks for my attention, which all of them do, I give in 200%. And even Akshay Kumar films, I'm in it. Take me on a journey that'll change me as a human being. I'm here. But don't give me a technically flawed, minimum effort film where sexual assault, disabilities, genetic disorders, murder, etc. are all simply used as convenient plot devices in service of a hero who will make everything okay if we just let him now. Katputli, which by the way, why it's named Katputli with that weird spelling, I have not one clue, also takes stupefying decisions to keep changing its own tonality from murder mystery to comedy back and forth, and not in the very entertaining Nathan Fillion in Castle type of way, which frankly could have worked because Akshay Kumar ki comic timing is rather excellent. No, here we are given one terrible outdated joke about dead wives immediately going into serial killer, and then one bizarre cowboy western background music scene to Kala Jadoo to romance, tragedy. इस पिक्चर में आपको सब मिलेगा, कॉमेडी भी, ड्रामा भी, इमोशन भी. इस वन लाइनर का जमाना अभी गया नहीं क्या? Rakul Preet is once again reduced to pretty love interest with half a brain, despite her character being an actual school teacher. She's relegated to the sides, and even in the song sequences, especially one titled Satya, jiski hook line, the music I quite like, she has to match steps with Akshay Kumar doing this. I can only hope she's made like a ton of money. By the end, the climax approaches, you're ready for anything. If you're about to reveal the murderer is Karthik Aaryan in a wig, I will believe you. If it is Mike Tyson doing another guest appearance he's about to forget all about in 5 minutes, sure. If it's Karan Johar trying to be an actor again, hell yes, I liked his work in Bombay Velvet. But when the villain is revealed, I had to pause and rewind to make sure I actually understood what was going on. To clear all confusion, the villain then proceeds to happily recap their life and motivations in a lazy flashback sequence that my 13-year-old Goosebumps reading niece could have written better. I'm lying. I don't have a 13-year-old niece. No one reads Goosebumps anymore. Is anyone watching these movies anymore? Decide for yourself. Dekho Kattaputali on Disney Plus Hotstar. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Kattaputli is 36. I mean, I'm nearly 35. At one point, Rakul Preet calls him too young to be a father. How can one even? Thank you for being around and showing love for all my latest work. 55 क्रॉस हो गए, 60,000 तक चलते हैं. बस अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करके जाना. What is it to you? फ्री की सर्विस ही तो मिल रही है ना यहाँ पे. Thanks.